Hi and welcome to rjpacini.com. My name is Rich Pacini. Today is August 5th, 2018. Thanks for tuning in. Today I just want to go over a quick fast food tip. For those who are new to my YouTube channel, thank you very much for stopping in, and also thank you for the new subscribers who have subscribed to this channel. This is just a quick food tip. Nothing fancy. It's just something I do on occasion, pretty much every other day, well, when I get hungry, of course. And, for people that are on the run, they're busy, they come home from work, or they just want to have an outright snack, it's just a little quick tip on how to save a little time, save a little cleaning, and, I just want to share it with you guys. I also want to just talk about my new YouTube, well, I call it the new YouTube channel, but if you notice the new banner I put up, for those who are new, I did have the other one a while back, the one that was talking about the creator of the His Initiative and the Clean Content channel. I kind of changed that banner around, so just wanted to share that with you guys out there, and to let you know that I am going to be doing different things. You might see a lot of different things popping up on this YouTube channel, so I hope you stay subscribed. If it's not what you like, and before you unsubscribe, I hope you would at least let me know as to why you didn't like the video, or maybe you want to see me do something else. I'd kindly appreciate that. But I do like helping and inspiring and sharing with people, and that's why I created this YouTube channel. For those who follow me, and you might have heard me say that many times before in my other videos, so I'm sorry if I keep repeating myself. But anyway, it's just a quick tip. I don't want to make this last too long. Let's get right to it. What I'm going to talk about is just making a quick grilled cheese sandwich. I know it sounds crazy. People say, you got to be kidding. Rich, you're making a video on that. Listen, let me tell you something. Before I just get into it really quick, I got a video of how I set up in a little kitchenette area. I talked to my sister about it. We were talking about this, and sometimes even relatives too. Everybody's so traditional. They, when they make a grilled cheese sandwich, they got to get the big frying pan out. They got to grease it up with butter or whatever, or maybe they cook in oil or whatever. And, they'll wait for the pan to get hot. Then they put the cheese in there, and then they cook it outside. You might say, oh, big deal. So what's so great about that? How long could it take to do that? But it's just the idea of the cleaning process afterwards. You got a dirty pot to clean. You got a spatula to clean. This way here, all you have is a knife to clean. That's it. The paper plate, whatever. And that's the other thing too. If you do decide to follow this here, but there may be people, thousands of people out there doing this already. Just make sure you get microwavable paper plates. If you got a ceramic plate, you could also cook on that as well. Okay. I've got a little video set up, so I'm just going to bump out of here, and I'll let you check it out for yourself. So let me move out of here, and but anyway, these are the things that you need. Plain and simple. It's that's it. Just what you see here is all you need, and of course you need that. So that's that's the most important thing. So yeah, let's hop right to it. Okay, I'll meet you over there. Here we got the basic ingredients what we need, or the basic things we need to make a grilled cheese sandwich. If you do this right, you should be able to make this grilled cheese sandwich probably with less than a minute. You don't need no frying pan, no butter. Well, you don't need, you don't have to grease up a frying pan or get it dirty or whatever, give yourself extra work. I've been doing this here for years because sometimes, when you're working or you come home from work or whatever, or you might just want to have a snack, a quick snack, or a quick lunch. This is the best way to go, Clean, no fuss, no muss. Okay, I like to make my grilled cheese sandwich with wheat bread. So we're just going to pop it into the toaster here. Now, when you're doing it this way here, you're doing it through the microwave, make sure you're doing it, you got your toaster set, for a nice, well, some people might like their toast dark or light. I like mine semi, light and dark, right between light and dark. Okay, so while that's toasting over there, this is what I do, folks. This is how I've been doing it for years. It's a quick little tip on, making a grilled cheese sandwich, a quick grilled cheese sandwich. The butter, knife, that's it. Just got to wait for that to come out. In the meantime, while that's toasting up over there, let's move it over here so you can see it a little better here. I do a lot of work in the studio. I do all my video, recording here. This I use this also as a display table when I want to display certain things in here. And to me, it's pretty efficient. It's quiet. I can do my work here and get things done. You keep basic stuff in here, toasters, microwave, and stuff like that. It's it's a little studio. It's set up like that there. But also we had to do the backdrops and other work within here, within this dwelling. So it's kind of very handy that way. When the toast pops out here, I'm just going to show it. I'm not going to wait till the toast comes on, because when it pops up, then I'll take it out and we'll take it from there. So I'm just going to pause the camera. 1 second. Okay, folks, it just popped out. I don't want to keep you guys waiting there, so that's why I did it like that. It's kind of like a time-lapse thing. Normally, it only takes like maybe, I don't know, maybe 20 seconds, if that, the most, whatever, it's toasted. But anyway, what you want to do is take your butter out here. I like sweet cream butter. Okay, and you don't want to really douse up the sandwich with the butter in here. All you want to do, folks, is get a decent little sliver, yay thick like that there. Just put one on each side, right? That's it. Just tuck it down like that. Like that. Get the cheese already out. The cheese will cook faster if you leave it out. If you're going to have grilled cheese sandwich, and you don't want the cheese, like this is the refrigerator, of course, so it's a little cold, so you might have to keep the microwave on a little longer. But if it was room temperature cheese, you could probably do it maybe instead. I like to keep it on for 25 seconds. Maybe if it's room temperature, it might be able to cook a little quicker and less time, so you can even shorten the time up on that. All right, and I just use this here to wipe my hands, of course. I'm going to take it over to the microwave. Okay, I'm going to pop it in the microwave over here. Let me just turn this around like that so you can see it. I'll put it in here for about 25 seconds. That usually works for me, folks. And I tell you, folks, it's an easy way to cook, especially if you're a person that works a 9 to 5, or if you just want to have a snack in the afternoon, whatever. You might want to consider doing it this way. Like I said, again, there's no fuss, no fuss. You don't have a frying pan. You don't have to sit there greasing everything up, whatever, giving yourself extra cleaning work. You could cook it in a, on a ceramic plate or a paper plate. I prefer a paper plate because once it's finished, you chuck it out. Like I said, no fuss, no muss. Okay, you come out. The cheese is just about the way I like it. Like that there, you can see it there. All right, and we'll put it on the table over here, and that's the end result, folks. A nice grilled cheese sandwich, all ready to eat. I like to put on there. Some people like to put, I like to put mayonnaise on it sometimes, or slice a tomato. You put a tomato on there, but the cheese is melted, and it's very appetizing. I can tell you the truth. After I stop this camera. I'm going to grab a bite and have this here. Matter of fact, I got my tea kettle going, and I'm going to have some coffee or tea with this here. Well, that concludes my fast food tip. I have another tip I'd like to share with you guys when the time comes, because what I want to do is if I show you that tip, then I have to be compelled to eat it. By the way, that grilled cheese sandwich was good. And just in closing, what I like to always put on them, like I said in the video, if I didn't, I'd say it now. I always like to put like a little mayonnaise on it with a tomato, slice of tomato on it. That is so good. With a nice cup of coffee, excellent. Goes really good with it. But yeah, as I get some more little quick tips, maybe other thing, maybe some do-it-yourself, how-tos, whatever, anything that I could share that may be of help to you, I'm going to put it out there. So I hope you guys don't mind. I hope you stick around. I hope you subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and tune back. Check back every now and then. See what I got to what I have to offer out there, folks. I hope you do like the stuff I put out, though. And I will talk to you next time. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your weekend. This is Rich Pasini signing off. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.